GMP-TV hier bei GMC 10. Ja. Ich stehe hier mit Yuri Benjenari, der sich gerade eine richtige Schlacht geliefert hat mit Dimitar Kostov. Und wir fragen mal am besten seinen Trainer, der wird hier übersetzen. It was a real battle. He should take us through the fight. Yeah?
C'est un gros combat, c'est une grosse bataille. Qu'est-ce que tu en penses?
C'est vrai que, bonjour déjà, c'est vrai que c'était un combattant coriace, c'était chez lui à la maison. Nous on a l'habitude, c'est début d'année, donc on voulait vraiment marquer l'entrée sportive pour 2017 avec notre club MMA Factory. Donc du coup on a fait le boulot nécessaire pour arracher avec les dents cette victoire. On l'a fait, peu importe ce qu'ils pensent les autres, mais le combat était dur.
First of all, hello to everyone. That was a big battle. This is a very tough fighter, and he was at home. That was his place, and we are used to that, to go to the conflict place, the conflict zone where people where there's hostility, and we did what we did to win the battle. I fought they had a cool fight, and for my team MMA Factory, that was very important for me. I was the first fight in the years, and that was very important for me to have the victory. I did have the victory, very tough victory, and no matter how the thing goes, but in the end of the day, I have a victory. That was a hard victory, but I had the victory. Thank you.
Yeah, it was a call of majority, so people were booing. So how do you see it?
C'était une décision. I don't remember. That was a split decision or majority decision. I don't remember.
No, sorry, split decision. Yes, split decision. Yes, people were booing. That's why I'm asking.
C'était une décision partagée. Les gens ont hué. Quel est ton ressenti sur ça? Qu'est-ce que tu en penses?
De toute manière, vu que on combat à l'étranger, chez la personne, chez Dimitri, dans sa ville natale, c'est normal que le public soit pour lui. Qui gagne, qui perd, il sera pour lui. Donc, heureusement que le sport il y a des règles, il y a des arbitres qui respectent ces règles et que eux, ils sont à l'intérieur, ils regardent ce qui se passe dans la cage en elle-même. C'est pas ce qu'ils disent le public. S'ils partageaient l'avis des publics, bah, le sport sonnerait n'importe quoi. Donc le public, il sera toujours pour leurs fans à eux, pour leurs sportifs à eux en fait. C'est normal.
The audience, they did their job. The audience have the job to support the guy from the country, you know, the guy, I mean, he was fighting in his backyard. I don't have a problem with the audience. The audience, the people in the audience, they have to support the public and to give the victory. No matter if he win or he lose, they have to support him. They did a good job. But now, in the end of the day, the MMA have the commission and the juries. And when the commission decide to have the victory, sometimes I'm not okay with the victory. This time I'm okay with the victory, but sometimes it's the decision. And if they give the decision to the public, to the audience, then the sport is just fuck up. Because then every country you go, the guy from the country always win the fight because the guy from the country is supported by the audience. So I don't know, I'm not the judge, okay? I did what I should do for the fight, and I won the fight, and I'm okay that the people, they are booing. That's normal. I mean, the guy from the town. So I just give everything to the judge, and I should not give to the judge. I should have won the fight by the decision, by the KO, because if you give to the judge, then you have the problem.
Okay, thank you. What I want to know, at which time he felt comfortable in the fight? After the first round, the second round, at which time he said, okay, now I'm bringing this home?
Sa question est celle-ci. À quel moment du combat tu t'es senti bien dans le combat en te disant dans ta tête, cette fois-ci je vais gagner et je ramène la victoire chez moi? À quel moment du combat tu as senti que tu gagnais le combat?
Si on parle vraiment du combat, c'était dès le début. Moi je suis venu chercher la victoire. Sinon je ne serais pas là. Donc du coup, de toute manière, vous demandez ça à n'importe qui. Il ne va pas vous dire qu'à la fin, au milieu, au premier round, que j'avais envie et j'ai senti que je gagnais. Non, je suis arrivé avec un objectif de gagner et de tout donner. heureusement qu'il y avait mon coach à chaque fois. Il me rappelait les objectifs. Et donc au fur et à mesure, on avançait. Et voilà, c'est ça.
To be honest with you, I will not say that I remember exactly at which moment I feel like I was winning the fight. In the end of the first round, I think I lost the first round, definitely. And going to the second round, there's some time that I was winning the fight. Like when I throw I throw him on the ground and I was doing the ground and pound. The second round, I had the elbow, you know. And in the end of the day, if you ask any fighter what time he was thinking that he feel like he was winning the fight, I'm not clear on that. But I know that the first round was very bad for me. The second, the third round, I feel like I was winning the fight at some point.
Okay, so, and what I want to know, do you have plans for the future?
Est-ce que tu as des plans pour, quel est ton plan d'avenir, la suite de ta carrière?
En fait, cette question, il faut la poser à mon entraîneur. C'est lui qui s'occupe de mon avenir, de trouver les combats, de m'emménager et de me ramener le plus loin. Comme on dit toujours, step by step. Donc voilà, on a fait un pas, on attend la suite. Et donc il pourra vous répondre un peu mieux que je peux vous le dire. Moi, je suis qu'un athlète, je fais complètement confiance à mon staff, à mon coach, qui est là avec moi à chaque fois. Donc je laisse vous répondre. Je te repose la question.
Every time I'm fighting, I just do my job, which is fighting. You should ask the question to my coach and my manager who I am. I'm the guy. Well, to be honest with you, the next step will be to see what is next for the GMC. The GMC is a very good organization. They welcome us in the organization. Before Yuri fight here in the GMC, there was Patrick Vallée who fought here. He had the victory in GMC. There was Michael Lebou, the veteran of the USA. He fought here in the GMC. And this is the third guy who fought in the GMC. So he hoped that the next time he will fight for the belt in the flyweight, and maybe that could be the future for him. And we don't know what's going on, but he said step by step we can go in some organization, maybe a better organization. But for now, he's seeking to have a good place in that organization. You don't know, maybe for the belt, maybe for the revenge, because there was controversy decision. No problem for the revenge or for the belt or for the next step. You don't know for now.
Okay, thank you very much for your time. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Round and